Folks, managing multiple Facebook accounts sounds simple until you actually try it. You log in, log out, switch browsers, maybe use incognito, and sooner or later everything starts breaking. Now, here is the real problem. If you are running ads, working with clients, or managing multiple pages, you cannot afford that mess. You need a setup where every account is isolated and behaves like a completely separate user. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at a tool that solves exactly that. We are talking about Multilogin, a platform designed to manage multiple Facebook accounts without conflicts or detection issues. And what makes this interesting is that this is not just about convenience, it is about control. Instead of constantly reacting to problems, you are setting up a system where those problems simply do not appear in the first place. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's start. Mates, before we jump into the workflow, let's quickly understand what this actually is. Multilogin is not just another browser or extension. It is a system that lets you create separate browser profiles, where each one acts like a completely independent environment. That means different cookies, different fingerprints, and no overlap between sessions. And that is the key idea here. Instead of switching between accounts in one browser and risking issues, you are running multiple parallel environments that do not interfere with each other. This is especially useful if you are managing ad accounts, handling client pages, or scaling outreach. Everything stays organized, separated, and much more stable over time. Alright folks, let's see how Multilogin works in practice, because this is where the tool really shows its value. We start by signing into my workspace, and right away you can see that everything is centered around managing separate browser profiles from one dashboard. It already feels more structured than juggling multiple Facebook accounts in a regular browser. Next, you can see the Team Access section. Multilogin allows you to add team members and assign access to specific profiles, which makes collaboration much more controlled. Instead of sharing login details or mixing responsibilities, each person works only with the profiles they need. Mates, before creating a profile, we should just make sure the Multilogin agent is connected. You just click the button, wait for the confirmation, and that is it. It is a small step, but it is what actually enables isolated browser sessions to run properly. When it comes to creating profiles, the process is built around flexibility. You can set a custom name for each profile, add tags or notes to organize multiple accounts. And in advanced settings, you get built-in options for location, device type, and other fingerprint parameters. So every profile acts like a separate environment. This is also where you can fine-tune how realistic each session looks, which becomes important when you want to reduce risks while scaling. This becomes especially useful when you are working with a larger number of profiles. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Once a profile is created and launched, it opens as a separate environment based on the device you selected. In this case, it looks like a mobile device with access to the Play Market. From there, you can install the social platform you need, for example, Facebook, and then create or log into your account directly inside that profile. So instead of switching accounts manually, you are basically running parallel devices from one system, which saves a huge amount of time. And my friends, if you are working at scale, Multilogin lets you create up to 100 profiles in a single workspace. For example, you can set up 5 profiles for different Facebook accounts and then organize them into folders to keep everything structured and easy to manage. This makes the whole setup feel less like chaos and more like a controlled system you can actually maintain. That is really the core idea here. The platform is designed to give each account its own independent environment, which makes multi-account management much more stable and structured. So guys, here is the bottom line. If you are just switching between a couple of personal accounts, you probably do not need a tool like this. But the moment you start managing multiple accounts seriously, especially for business, tools like Multilogin become very hard to replace. Mates, Multilogin solves that by turning chaos into a structured system. Each account runs in its own environment, Everything stays separated, and you avoid the typical issues that come from overlapping sessions. It is simply a more stable way to work when you scale. And the biggest advantage here is consistency. Once your setup is in place, you stop constantly fixing problems and just focus on the actual work. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.